Hello guys, I'll show you uh, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra in your installments and pay in your with FM and get $100 Samsung credit up to 1000 enhanced trade in credit on regular and cracked scenes. A special career offer is available when selecting the careers Samsung S2022 Ultra and Samsung 2022. So this is a 2022 Ultra and uh, mm, platinum black color, platinum white, green, pink, gold, and yes credit, wild tablet, watch, green, and much more. Many options. Galaxy Tab S8, so Samsung Care Plus with theft and loss. Our most comprehensive plan protects in the event the damage drops and spills, as well as loss of device. Some days cracked screen repairs in 700 plus authorized location, loss to stolen device coverage for damage including drops or liquid spilling requirements as soon as next day. So $12 cancel anything anytime, and one time payment, pay with your credit and debit card. So pay app, exclusive taxes, shops, and much more like. So Samsung.com average you will purchase will also including four free free month of YouTube Premium, value new account only. So six free months of XM streaming, 6 months of 100 GB one drive storage, and uh, uh, many reviews of this Samsung 22 and Samsung 21. So let go back as 2022 plus, and so this is the best way of 2022. So black, platinum, gold, pink, and nourish colors. So first of all, we have uh, so we have select and another one. So for play in 4 months in installments, for pay in 4 installments, $75, pay with 2 weeks. So we impact credit source T-Mobile, 128 GB plan called. So this is very responsible prices in Samsung Galaxy S2022 for best reason in Samsung company's key features. So make writes epics and night graphic. It's bright invention, uh, yet the sensor pulls in more lights. The super glass glaze down lens flares and flat acting all the drivers near install instructing processing. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you enjoy this video. I'm going. Thank you. Oh,